what's up? It's Alicia and Elise, and I'm Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. Y'all, I am on a roll with these V parts. I am absolutely loving this. But anyways, y'all, I picked up this brand new EasiContour ombre V part unit. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check down below in the description area where everything is going to be linked for you. But anyway, the texture on this unit is a coarse Yaki, and I'm absolutely loving this ombre effect. But the one thing I do like about this cap construction is that it features their easy contour, making it so that it fits comfortably and it's not going anywhere. This unit also has that anti-slip band and that locking drawstring. You can see on the drawstring it does feature that button, making it so this unit fits securely. But what I'm going to do is show you guys what I do to blend my hair in with this unit. You guys probably saw this in another video. That's because I pretty much did this with a whole bunch of other videos. But what I am going to do is just take out a nice decent sized portion of my hair, and I just went ahead and applied my Mizani 25 Miracle leave-in as well as that Paul Mitchell super skinny serum. And I'm also going to use this Kim Kimble Blockbuster heat protectant because I don't want any more heat damage. And I'm also going to use my Dyson Airwrap with the brush attachment. Now that my leave out is blown out, I am now going to flat iron the hair. First things first, I did apply a center part, and now I'm just using my Sotra Bombshell flat iron to get my hair nice and straight. Okay, so now that my hair is straightened, we're just going to go ahead and have a look at this cap. Now you definitely want to cut off those little straps. That is just to hold the unit in place. But you guys can see again, this is what the wig is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and get those clips open and then section off my leave out. You guys can see just how that's looking. And I will say, when you are using these U parts and V parts, make sure you're very gentle with your edges and with those combs because they do snatch your hair a little bit. But what I'm doing is taking those clips and just applying it within the parting section of my hair. You can have that V area wide if you have leave out, or you can have it very narrow if you don't have any leave out. But what I'm going to do now is take my leave out and blend it in with the rest of the wig. You guys can see just how natural it blends in. Even though the wig is ombre and my hair isn't, it still looks very good. And if you have any flyaways, just use a wax stick and a brush to smooth it all down. Just look at how my hair is blending in with this unit. Again, this is a coarse Yaki, and my silk press hair blends in perfectly. I'm also going to just play around with my edges and just go over some parts of the hair again with my flat iron. Okay, so now that the unit is installed, you guys can see how it's looking with my hair type and hair color. Again, y'all, it's blending right in. That is where my hair is. And now this unit is, I believe, 24 inches long, and I am 5'8", and this is where it falls on me. Now this hair does have a decent amount of body and it's very soft, and I know it's looking a little ruffled. It's because I couldn't see the back. So yeah, y'all just ignore that. But right here, I'm just going to throw this hair in a few styles just so that you can feel confident with this one. I know it's an investment, but you can wear this unit in multiple looks. Now, for those of you guys who would like to wear this unit like it should be worn, which is the V part with no leave out, this is what I do. Now, I will tell you guys that V parts like this typically doesn't work for me because my hair is a bit on the longer end. So what I'm doing is just applying those combs just around that parting area, and I'm trying to get that V as narrow as possible. I did play around and manipulate a bit of my roots just to see how it would look, but I don't know, it just doesn't look natural on me, but I've been noticing that it looks really cute on everyone else. But again, y'all, this is Nadula's EasiContour V part ombre unit. Y'all let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. Are y'all liking the texture in this ombre color? Let me know. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.